This is what we're gonna try, a pull and play. What do you think about that? Are you excited? Yeah? Let's try it. Well, once you open it, you get this little mouse cat. I don't know if it's supposed to be a mouse or a cat thing. But the treats go in and it like wobbles for them to hit. Comes with the treats that you put inside and these like string things. So let's set it up. Felicia's excited. This is what it looks like. These are little treat things. And then the treats are in here so that when they hit it, they fall out. Are you excited, Delilah? What do you think? Let's see if they play with it. Maybe you have to do one or the other because they're very distracted by the stringy bits and not so much the treat part on the bottom. She did it! I don't know if I got it on camera, but she did it. Delilah, you gotta hit it to get the treats out. Good girl, Felicia. Felicia has kind of figured it out. Go get some, Delilah. Be aggressive. Be aggressive. Delilah's a little too much of a scaredy cat to play with it, so she just lets Felicia hit it over and then she goes and gets the treats. Yeah, you can't really put this stringy stuff in it because then they get distracted by it, huh? And then you don't play with the other thing. I don't know how I feel about this bit, but... Are you over it? That was anticlimactic. The same treats that are in those are in the toy over there. Go get it. Go get the toy. Delilah, come get the treats. Look. Felicia, let Delilah have some. Delilah. Look here. No, don't get it. You're the laziest cat ever. It's right there. Well, I don't know if she really knows that when she hits it, treats come out. But she's doing it. Good girl, Felicia. And I don't really like these little orange things. But she like tries to eat it but doesn't really eat it, and so I don't really like those, but